name is Philemon Mubiru, all the way from Rice Cement in Uganda. I am very, very honored to be part of this session on the limestone calcine clay cement at IIT India. I'm really pleasured for the knowledge that the team has been able to share with us today. Personally, I'm a chemical engineer by profession, so they were really speaking to my mind. I learned a lot about provisions that we can use to reduce our CO2 emissions, especially in the cement industry. And I know that going back home, I'll be able to implement some of the research that has been conducted at this institute to ensure that our cement products in Africa, in East Africa, are produced at a more sustainable level with low CO2 and with utilization of more resourceful materials, that is the clay that is available in plenty in Uganda. I believe that we shall be able to produce more products that are accessible to the markets, but also sustainable in nature to reduce CO2 footprint in our environment.